In this video, you will learn how to use the law of indices in solving this nice exponential equation. We're asked to solve for the value of x. Now let's get started. To solve for the value of x, all we simply need to do is to sort for the application of the laws of indices. Now, the law of indices, we are given that we have a to the power of x plus y. This can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. We all know this. So if we apply that law and to solve this, this will expand and this likewise will expand. So that will give us 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3, and that will be equal to 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Fine. So we will simplify from there. What we'll simply do is to divide both sides by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. So we divide here by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of x, and we divide here by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. Then we'll have this clearing this, and then on this side we'll have this clearing this. And what we have remaining, we'll have 2 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x on this side, and that will be equal to 3 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Right? Good. So let's simplify further. Once we simplify further, what we are going to do simply is to expand this using the law of indices. In that law of indices, if you have a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x, you are going to simply have this to be equal to a divided by b, and all will be raised to the power of x because they have same exponent. So we'll have this to be 2 divided by 3 all to the power of x, and this will be equal to, on this other part we'll have 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So let's expand further. We are asked to find the value of x. So how do we play around with this? The only way we can play around with this solution is to find the logarithm of both sides. So we are going to take the natural logarithm of both sides. If we take the natural logarithm of both sides, this will give us the in of 2 divided by 3 all to the power of x, and this will be up to in of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So according to the law of logarithm, this power will come over here to multiply the logarithm. So we'll have x in of 2 divided by 3 to be equal to in of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So let's divide both sides by the logarithm of 2 divided by 3. So if we do that, here will be x equal to the in of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3 divided by the in of 2 divided by 3. So having done this, I want us to recall one law of indices. In that law of indices, if you have the in of a divided by b, this can be equal to the in of a minus the in of b. So if we apply that to that equation, we'll have the value of x to now give us the value of x will now be equal to the in of 3 minus the in of 2 to the power of 3, all divided by the in of the in of 2 minus the in of 3. According to the law of according to logarithm, this will simplify to have our x to be equal to in of 3 minus 3 in of 2 divided by the in of 2 minus the in of 3. Now, if we point our calculator or you check the logarithm table, the in of 3 will be equal to 1.0986, right? And then the in of 2 will be equal to 0.6931. So we'll simplify that into the expression. We'll have the value of x to be equal to 1.0986 minus 3 multiplied by 0.06931, and this will be divided by the in of 2, which is 0.6931 minus the in of 3, which is 1.0986. So simplifying this, the value of our x will be equal to this minus this will give us a negative 0.9807 divided by negative 0.405 and 5. So if we simplify this, expand the negative will clear negative, then the value of x will be equal to this value divided by this value will give us 2.418. So our value for x approximately will be equal to 2.42. So the value of x equal to 2.42 is the solution that satisfies that exponential equation found up there. I know you did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.